You go slowly down. You breathe in while you go down. And you breathe out while you press. At least 90% are doing that wrong. And therefore we show you how to do that exercise in a really precise, right way. If you need to know how to get tense in your abs, please watch our video for abs. And this is the precondition to do this exercise, right? And if you know that you will most probably not do this full push-up in the right way, then you look please into our video for the half push-up. So, Nuria, let's go for that. We go down, and here again, please be sure that you have all the medical conditions in the right way, that you are able to do this exercise. So you should have all joints should be right, your muscles should be right, your tendons should be right. So everything should be healthy to do this exercise. We start the exercise in that position. Why do we do that? Because we want to have, it's quite uncommon, but we want to have the possibility to have the maximum tense in the abs before we start to go into the right position. Why is that? Because when you are once in the wrong position, then you can make tense in your abs, but it will not change anything anymore. This position is where everything is flat here, so the tense you can make tense in your abs, and now it's stabilizing your lower back in a very nice way. So she is holding the tense in her abs, and while she's doing that, now she goes into the position with walking a little bit in front, that's right, and brings her glute into a perfect tense, stimulated or contracted way. So the glute is completely contracted. Her ab muscle is contracted. She is pulling a little bit her ab muscle together, like she wants to roll inside to activate the straight ab muscle also to help. And when she has tense in the abs, tense in the glute, now she is bringing her chest to the maximum in front while she is holding that whole construction. So she holds here the tense, she holds the tense in her front ab muscle and in her glute. She has here a complete stable part, so she's not falling in, what a lot of people do, and now only the elbows are bending in. That's right. And she presses herself up. The most important here, you see again, she holds that position. While she's going down, she tries to hold that, but right now, because we did a few times the exercise before, she cannot hold it completely while she's going down. She's falling a little bit in. You see now she's falling in. This you don't want. So you try to hold that. That's fine, Nuria. Perfect. So you could learn from the last what she did, this slowly falling here inside. This is what you don't want while you do this exercise, but it is a common problem. A lot of people do that. And how I say, we did it a few times before, so now it starts to get really hard for her to hold that. What I want from you now is that you jump in our training and that you do this exercise with us together. I want to show you also now another way how you can start this exercise. So Nuria starts to go up in that way. This is also a possibility. Then you can go back with your feet, or you just go in front with your arms. But what you can do also is you make it a little bit less extreme. So that means you go in this position so that you have the ability or the possibility to just get tense in your abs as much as possible. Now you just need to go a little bit in front, and while you go in front, your hip goes in front and you get tense in your glute as much as possible. Now, when you have that, you roll yourself in, right? Now I get quite round. Then I have everything activated what I need. Now my chest goes in front as much as possible while I hold that construction. Now I press myself up again to be sure I'm completely stable from my back. And while I hold that, Now my elbows start to bend slowly, and you go down, 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 until your body is touching the floor, and you hold it tense, and then you press yourself up out of your chest. If you don't shake, you do something wrong. You go slowly down. You breathe in while you go down, and you breathe out while you press. And one time more. You go slowly down. You hold all that tense, what you built up before, and then you press yourself up. Boom. So that's the exercise. This is what we want to reach. Nuria, it's your place, and you, please jump up from your couch, from your sofa, from your chair, wherever you are right now. If you're in the gym, you're doing something really right. And now we start that exercise together. We go with the hands in front. Please make your hands as big as possible, because this gives you stability. Bring your glute up in the way like she does, or in the way like I showed you right now. Give as much chance as possible into your abs, and then slowly bring your whole body in front. That's right. The tense is in your abs. The glute has tense. She's rolling herself in. Now, the most important position. While she is rolled in, she holds that construct here and now brings her chest in front. You are doing exactly the same, and deeply breathe in and out while you do that. Your head follows your whole body construction, and now slowly you go down with bending your elbows. Be careful that you hold the whole position and you slowly go down, 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 and you press yourself up. That's right. Nuria's right now shaking. I hope you too. And we go slowly down one time more. You go down, down, and press yourself up. Perfect. Very important here is that when you see how she is standing, she has, how I said, open the hands maximum, and her elbows are not going up like that. They are also not going close like that. So the elbows are following her body. So that means 90-degree angle, 0-degree angle, we are in the middle, 45-degree angle. This means the elbow goes like that. Okay? The hands are standing exactly on the height of the chest when she is down. So please lay down one time, Nuria. And you see, now you can see that her hand is completely opened and on the height of her chest. Her elbow goes here in the 45-degree angle. Then this would be 90 and this is 0. So here she has a 45-degree angle. This is what you want to reach to make that exercise perfect. If you just felt that this is way too hard, then please go in the half version. The half version we show in the whole video also in our channel, but here we show you a fast way to just do that right now. So you go on your knees, you get tense in your abs as much as possible, then your glute goes in front with your whole body, and that's very important. So you bring the whole body in front, and exactly like the other version, your whole body goes now down. Bring the chest out. Yes, and now your whole body goes down. You see, she's falling in front down. This is what you don't want. You bring your glute more in, hip in front, hip in front, hip in front. Now you have the position. So now you go down and your glute and your whole body goes simultaneously down. You don't try to hold your glute up. This is not what you want. You want that your whole body goes down. And that's a common problem. When girls are doing that, they hold mostly the ass out. This is not what you don't want. You want that your whole body goes down. Also, be careful that you have your hands on the right position. Nuria had right now the hands a little bit back, so therefore she got unstable. And that leads also to the position that you want to fall down in front. So we do it one time more. You need to now Be strong and try the best you can still, and bring your glute in front one time. Exactly, you see, now she goes completely in. Now she brings the chest out. She stabilizes everything out. Now the hands also on the right position. Now you bring your whole body down. That's how it should be. And up. Boom. One time more. And go down. And up. Boom. So that's what I want to see from you. This is how you do it right. If you do it right, you shake. You feel extremely the tense in your abs. You feel it in your glute. And then you feel how you push it out of your chest, out of your triceps, out of your shoulders. This gets all really pumped up. So thank you very much, Nuria. Thank you for your attention. I hope we can gain together some new knowledge and you will be better tomorrow than you have been before you saw this video. Thank you very much. It's your personal trainer, Chris. See you soon. Bye.